Hello hikers and welcome. James here from Hillwalk Tours. I'm part of the route development team here at Hillwalk Tours, and today I am going to talk you through what to bring on your hiking tour. Now my job is to go out and rewalk all of the routes that we have here at Hillwalk Tours. And yes, I do have one of the best jobs in the world. My time rewalking the trails has taught me a thing or two about what to bring and what not to bring with you on the trails. Now, this may be your first long hiking tour, or you may have done several with us before, but I think this video will be helpful to everyone just to get an idea of what you should bring and what not to bring. In general, you will bring 2 bags with you on your hiking tour. Firstly, your travel bag, which will be between 15 and 20 kg depending on the region you're hiking. Secondly, your day pack, which will carry all of your essentials for your hiking tour every day. Firstly, your luggage, where you'll carry everything that you need with you for your whole tour. I would recommend keeping this simple and trying to bring maybe one casual outfit for your evening meals. Secondly, we have your backpack or day pack, which will carry all of your essentials from day to day. Now you can bring this on board if you're traveling on a flight as your extra luggage. When you're hiking, we recommend the 3 layering system. Firstly, a merino wool base layer, which is closest to the skin. A mid layer, which is warm and cozy like a fleece that will keep you comfortable and warm throughout the day. And finally, a jacket or a waterproof outer layer, which will keep you dry in the downpour and will also keep you protected from the wind. Now for the clothing that you're going to wear out on the trails. So we're going to start from the very bottom first. When hiking or walking, you can have 2 choices. You can either wear hiking boots or you can wear hiking shoes or trail runners. Now both of these have pros and cons to them. For some of our regions, hiking shoes or trail runners might be more suitable, or heavier hiking boots for some of the more rugged terrain would be suitable also. I recommend getting a nice pair of leather hiking boots, which you can re-waterproof and look after the leather, and they'll last you a long time. For some of the flatter or easier trails, I would recommend hiking shoes or hiking runners. They often come with nice grips and lugs on the bottom of them, which are really helpful if there is any slightly slippy or muddy trails. Next up, we have socks. Now socks cause huge debate through hikers the world over, because bad socks can mean blisters, and blisters can mean a very uncomfortable tour. Most people will go for either synthetic socks or a wool sock. Synthetic socks are really breathable, but wool socks are fantastic if your feet do happen to get moist or wet, because wool will keep your feet warm and comfortable while still damp. My personal favorite are toe socks. This is because they separate your toes into individual little pockets, and they really help to prevent blisters. You can even put on a little bit of Vaseline on each of your toes, and this really helps for preventing blisters. Next up, we have hiking trousers. So these should be very comfortable, lightweight and breathable. Most of these will come with a light water repellent finish on them as well. Next up, we have waterproof pants. Now these are an absolute essential when hiking in Ireland and the UK. Next up, we have base layers, which are going to be right against the skin. If it's going to be nice warm weather, I recommend just a t-shirt. Often, like with the socks, the best thing to do is to get a merino wool mixed t-shirt, because this will allow you to breathe very easily, but will also keep you warm and comfortable if it does happen to get slightly damp. Alternatively, if it's going to be a bit colder, you can go for a long sleeve or a heavier weight merino wool top. Some of these will have breathable panels in the back for letting out heat as well. Next up is your mid layer. Your mid layer is going to keep you warm and cozy, especially when you're starting out early in the morning. Often I find that a gilet is just enough warmth, but sometimes if it's going to get a bit colder, I like a jacket with a slight down in it, or a hybrid jacket that is nice and stretchy and comfortable, and will keep you warm through the whole day. Waterproof jackets now, like this one here, can be very lightweight, but still fully waterproof and extremely breathable, which I highly recommend. Alternatively, you can go for something a bit more heavy duty, like this one that has been all over the world with me and is still going strong. Other items that you may not think of bringing with you are simple things like this buff. This can be used to keep you warm around your neck, it can be worn around the head to keep your ears nice and warm, or it can be twisted and turned into a hat. It can also be wrapped around the wrist if you need to wipe away sweat if you're really working hard. Gloves are also an essential piece of kit. This can keep your hands nice and warm and make sure that you're able to function any zippers or phones as you need. Trekking poles are also something that have become really popular of late. They can now be folded up into small packages like this and can be super lightweight if they're made of carbon or similar materials. Now these are great for taking weight off the knees when going downhill, but can also be really helpful when going uphill. Also, sunglasses, really important to bring with you along the trail because we really hope that we're going to get some sunshine while we're out there on the trail. Next up is hydration. Now we all know the importance of hydration and drinking water, but it is especially important when you're out all day hiking the trails. You need to keep hydrated and make sure you have the correct type of flask to bring with you. My personal favourite is the soft flask. This can be stowed up front and is always within reach, which encourages you to keep drinking water throughout the day. And finally, my pro tip is to bring an exercise band. These looped bands are so small and so portable, but it can make a huge difference to your hiking holiday. I personally bring one with me every single time I go to do warm-up exercises before I set out in the morning time. This can really help throughout the day and also help to prevent injuries, especially when you're going for longer tours. So there you have it, a quick guide to the essentials of what you should bring and what you should pack on for your next hiking holiday. From all at Hillwalk Tours, happy hiking and see you on the trails.